Hi everybody, I'm Kathleen Cotter-Lawler and we're going to talk today about some games from the Math Card Games book. When you use this book, you're going to have a deck of cards that you're going to want to work with. This has 6 decks in here. I do want to point out that one of the decks, the basic number deck, actually comes in 2 halves. So we're going to play, first game we're going to play here today is going to be using the basic number deck. And we're going to play Go to the Dump.
Yay.
Yay! Everybody starts out with 5 cards. So let me give everybody 5. There you go. I'm going to put this in the center. What we're doing with this is we're looking for pairs, 2 numbers that equal 10. So looking at my hand here, I've got a 9 and a 1 make 10. I'm going to lay them down side by side so that another parent could walk by and look at them, or the kids can look at it and see that 9 and 1 make 10. All right, Ramsey, do you want to start? And we always go clockwise. So Ramsey's always going to ask me. I'm going to ask Gemma. Gemma's going to ask Ramsey. So you start by asking me.
Miss Kathleen, do you have a 5?
I do have a 5.
Thank you.
And because he got a pair, he gets another turn.
Mrs. Kathleen, do you have a 4?
I do not. Go to the dump. And now his turn is over with. So now it's my turn. Gemma, do you have a 7?
Go to the dump.
Oh. I got a 7. So I'm going to lay him down. Now, does this mean I won the game? No. It just means I get to take 5 more cards and my turn is over with. So, your turn, Gemma.
Nancy, do you have a 9? Nancy, do you have a 8? Go to the dump.
So, oh, look at this, how quickly she's knowing her facts of 10. So, what do you guys think? Do you like this game?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a really fun game. Kids really like this. But you had mentioned earlier there's another game you like.
Uh-huh.
What do you like to play?
Me and my cousin like playing War.
Ooh, I have a war game, okay? Tell you what, let's do this. We're going to switch this up. Gem and I are going to be in the same team.
Mm-hmm.
You are not. You're on your team. So what we're going to do is we're going to do half a deck. Now, I'm not going to take the time here to go exactly half. We're just going to do our best guess. That's your deck. This is our deck. And what we're going to do, and this is called Addition War Game. What we're going to do is we're going to each lay down 2 cards. Do you know what 4 and 2 is, Gemma?
6.
6. So we have 6. How much did you get?
12.
Who won?
Me.
So he takes all the cards. Okay, lay down 2 more cards for us. Do you know what this is? Okay, you got 9. What do we get? Let me know if you need help.
12.
12. Look at her go. Not bad. So we had 12. You had 9. We took it. Yay! Go us. 2 more. What is this? It's a worksheet. The kids will do it for hours.
7. 10.
Yay!
Hi.
It's a tie. So we lay down 2 extra cards. And now, well, no, actually what we do now is we put 2 more cards up here. So put 2 cards, yep, face up, so we can see them. Add them up.
4. 15.
And what'd you have?
4.
4. We get them all.
No!
Yes, we do. That's how we play Addition War. Let's play Fraction War, because you like war games, right? Okay, we're going to do Fraction War game. This is game F7 in the Math Card Games book. We're going to use our fraction deck here, and with the deck, we're going to take out all of our percentage cards. We're going to take out the percentage cards, and we're just going to use the deck. Now, what I'm going to do, because you don't know fractions much yet, right? Okay, so I'm actually just going to use the 1, the halves, the fourths, and the eighths. Okay, so like a regular war game, flip them over. Whose is more? I have 1/4. You have how many eighths?
5/8.
Show me, where would yours be? So put your finger on the line. I have 1/4, you have 1/8. Whose is more?
Mine.
Okay, you're gonna take those. Okay, next card. Whose is bigger?
Mine, because mine is 1/2 and yours is 1/4.
Mm-hmm. Notice how he's problem solving and learning at the same time he's playing the game. Now who takes it?
You.
Yeah! Now who takes it?
You.
Show me.
Because I have this. You
Mhm.
have this.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Again, notice how we're learning at the same time as we're playing this. So even though he wasn't certain on his fractions, he's starting to get it. You can see how much quicker he's getting it. Also notice too, I'm no longer putting my finger on there. He's doing all my work. Yay! Let's play corners. Do you like corners?
Yeah.
It is the best game. Do you remember how many cards each person gets?
5.
4. Close. Okay? All right, so in the book, it says the person with the lowest green number starts. So lowest green number, I have a 2.
I have 3.
Okay, so this will be our starting card. I'm going to move this off to, actually I'll move it off to your side. We always keep 4 cards in front of us. So I'm going to take an extra card. So here's our starting card. Now, the way we want to do this is we always want to put match. Red matches red, green matches green, blue matches blue, black matches black. And they need to add up to 5, 10, 15, or 20. So your turn. Where can you lay a card?
Wait, could I do this?
Yes. So you just got 15 points. Way to go. So now I have to play on the last card played, which is this one. So I can do the black. Here, I can do the black 8 with my 7. I could do, with the 7, I could do an 8. With the 3, I don't have anything that would match that makes 5, 10, 15, or 20. So I think I'm going to do, oops, you need another card.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to put this here. Now we want to play on the last card played again. So you want to play onto here. And actually, that's a note for you as a parent or an adult playing with a child, is don't go, oh, Ramsey, you can put it right here. Instead, you tell them, you maybe look at the reds, or you can make 10 points. So you give them clues without giving them the solution. Okay, now what we're going to do here, you had 10 points. Can you, in your head, do 15 plus 10
25.
more? Right, just write down 25. Look at him go. I'm going to look at my 10 down here. I've got a 5, but that doesn't add up, so that doesn't work. So actually, I don't have anything, but I don't know if you know this rule. If you can put in like a 3 and a 3. Okay, it's not 5, 10, 15, or 20, so I get no points for it, but I can still play it. Yep, so he's got 35 now, yep. Okay, my turn. I'm going to look and see if I have any corners. Here's a 9 and a 6, 4 and 4. Still have a 4. You know what? I'm going to do this because that gives me 0 plus 15. I just got 15 points. So what is, so 15 and 15 now, I got 30 points. Okay, this is the last card.
For me for a minute.
It does, and you actually got,
But then I saw the line. on
yep,
this one.
9 has a line, 6 does not. Let's just do a couple more. And you play until all the cards are gone. Oh, look what you just created. We call these bays. So to put a card here, I have to match all 3. I just got 10 more points. I actually like the kids to do all the scorekeeping because I don't need to practice my math facts. Now, who can play all of these games that we've been talking about? Anybody. I don't care what curriculum you use. I don't care if you use this one, or you're in a school, or you're not in a school, or you're tutoring, or whatever. Anybody can play these games. And that's what we want the kids to do, is to have fun, to practice, and they're having fun and they're learning. This is the corners
Like
game.
having fun and learning.
And learning at the same time. Is that fun or what?
Like
Yeah.
not just playing a regular game, because you don't really learn anything.
Right.
But you learn stuff in this.
You
and
did.
have fun.
And he beat me 95 to 60.